Hi everyone, this is a demonstration of StylusPort, which was developed by Oak Security in partnership with Range and from a Arbitrum Foundation grant. So Oak combined our expertise in both Solana and Arbitrum Stylus to produce a handbook, as well as tested examples on how to support various Solana patterns and programs to Stylus contracts. As well as the handbook, we also developed a MCP server, which serves as a handbook to your AI assistant to allow it to more accurately assist and plan the porting. So it's all open source on GitHub, Oak Security StylusPort. And from here, you can also get to the posted guidebook, which you can read through. And this is the exact same handbook, which is served by the MCP server. So we'll give so as part of the demo, we will get the MCP server and Claude to plan porting this multi-sig program from Solana to Stylus. So you can see, just clone the Solana repository and just double check I've got Claude. Yeah, and I've also got the MCP server binary in my path. So that's all that's required for Claude to then use it. Yeah, just double check that Claude, you have to register it. So just add StylusPort, already exists, so that's all good. So we'll just start, and to make it a bit more fluid, we'll use the dangerous flag. I do not recommend doing this in practice, as you may get script injection vulnerabilities. Sorry, prompt injection vulnerabilities. Once you're in Claude, in this case, you can just use one of the built-in prompts from the MPC server to start planning the porting process. So yeah, it just checks out the Solana program code. You can see it searching and reading handbook chapters. It's using tools to generate some boilerplate, such as the cargo manifest and the main boilerplate for describing the ABI. And now it's writing the plan. This can take a few minutes, but yeah, I'll just let that do its thing, and then I'll just show you the caliber of the plan that it's produced. Yeah, it's not the most exciting thing watching Claude work, but it does save time. No. What else is it doing? Yeah, cool. So it actually created this in a sister folder, so it doesn't mess with the original. And you can see, yeah, it's made plan. It's referencing the handbook chapters that in the executing agent might want to cross-reference, and it produces a phased implementation plan. So yeah, you can always then go read through it, modify it in case it's got anything wrong, and then you can go back to Claude and you can tell it to execute the plan. I won't run this to completion because it'll probably take quite some time, but you can see it starts to read it and it'll start to scaffold the project.